excellent ending lesson. End with a bang. Make your writing explosive. Gain the power of a strong conclusion. At the end of this lesson, you will show off your new power by writing an effective conclusion to your informational article. Why do conclusions matter? Imagine you and your friend are texting each other. Your friend, 10 a.m. Want to meet at the library? You, 10:01. Sure. When? Your friend, 10:01. 11. You, 10:02. Let me check. You, 10:04. No ride till 1. You, 10:30. Hello? Your friend didn't come back and conclude the text conversation. You may have been frustrated and stressed, wondering what to do and why your friend stopped texting. Your friend may have mistakenly thought the matter was settled, not realizing that conclusions are just as important as the rest of the information. Unfortunately, writers, as well as friends, sometimes ignore the truth. They fail to give conclusions the attention such paragraphs deserve. Their negligence leads them into several traps, such as repeating unnecessary information, running out of ideas, introducing new information, leaving out the conclusion altogether. Don't let your readers feel frustrated or stressed. Instead, give readers a final, memorable impression of why your text is meaningful, useful, or important. Give your article a sense of completeness and significance with a strong ending. Let's look closer at some tips for writing effective conclusions. What makes a great conclusion? A great conclusion has certain key features that shape and define it. Number 1, a conclusion starts with a closing transition phrase. Review the summary transitions in the transition guide for phrases you can use in your conclusion. Number 2, it rephrases the thesis to remind readers of the big idea. A conclusion includes a clincher. A clincher is a fact, argument, or event that decisively settles a subject. And number 4, a conclusion uses mature, objective language. Examine this slideshow to learn more about these features. Transition phrases, rephrasing thesis, what is a clincher, mature and objective, examples, always do this, never do this. You be the editor. Over the past few lessons, you have read parts of an article on social networking. Read the introduction and body paragraphs here. Facebook, friend or foe. Positives, negative, positive. How would you conclude this social networking article? Remember, a conclusion needs a transition phrase, rephrasing of your thesis, a clincher, and mature and objective language. Read each paragraph and decide if it wraps up the article effectively by selecting the correct choice and then click Submit. Recap. Now you're ready to write your own strong and effective conclusion. Cause and effect informational text conclusions. Always use a transition. Rephrase the ideas in your thesis. Include a clincher and write objectively. Cause and effect informational text conclusions. Never repeat your thesis word for word. Never restate the main points without revealing something new about them. Never introduce a brand new topic, and never use I, you, my, or your. What is my assignment for this lesson? Read the instructions in the assignment. Go to assignment 2.10, an excellent ending. You will submit your introduction, body, and conclusion in this assignment. View the grading rubric as you complete your assignment, as that is your guide to a super submission. Download and rename this document. In your conclusion, be sure to include a conclusion transitional phrase, rephrase your thesis, write a clincher, and write 4 or more sentences. Check for grammar, punctuation, and spelling, and make sure it's in third-person point of view. Don't forget to add your conclusion to the body and introduction. Please also don't forget to share it with Mrs. Penna before turning it in. Scroll all the way down to see how you'll be graded. Happy writing!